Hey everyone, it's David. Today we're diving into vibrant, healthy Asian cuisine, recipes that are big on flavor and perfect for weight loss. Forget bland diet food. These dishes are all about taste, color, and feeling fantastic. We're traveling across Asia with 10 of my favorite recipes, each packed with fresh veggies, lean proteins, and bold spices. From spicy Korean bowls to refreshing Japanese salads and savory Thai stir-fries, every meal is quick, simple, and meal prep friendly. Grab your apron. Let's chop, sizzle, and stir our way to a healthier, happier you. Ready to get cooking? Let's do this! First stop, Korea. We're diving into the heart of Korean flavors with a modern, healthy twist that's perfect for any day of the week. Whether you're a fan of bold spices or just looking to try something new, this recipe is sure to become a staple in your kitchen. We're making a spicy kimchi quinoa bowl that's bursting with flavor and gut-friendly goodness. This dish is inspired by classic Korean comfort food, but we're swapping out rice for protein-packed quinoa to keep things light and nutritious. Start with fluffy quinoa for plant-based protein and fiber. It keeps you full and energized. Quinoa is a fantastic base because it absorbs all the delicious flavors while providing a satisfying texture. Plus, it's naturally gluten-free and cooks up quickly, making it ideal for busy weeknights. Sauté kimchi for a tangy, spicy kick, then wilt in fresh spinach for extra vitamins. The heat brings out the deep fermented flavors of the kimchi, while the spinach adds a pop of color and a boost of nutrients like iron and vitamin C. Mix the quinoa and kimchi in a hot wok. The aroma is incredible and the colors pop. Stir everything together so each bite is packed with flavor, and don't forget to add a splash of soy sauce or sesame oil for that authentic umami taste. Top with a soft-boiled egg. When you cut in, the yolk becomes a creamy sauce. The richness of the egg ties all the ingredients together, making every spoonful extra satisfying. This bowl is balanced, complex carbs, lean protein, vitamins, and probiotics. You get the benefits of fermented kimchi for your gut, leafy greens for your body, and wholesome grains for lasting energy. It's low-calorie, great for meal prep, and totally satisfying. Make a big batch and you'll have healthy lunches or dinners ready to go all week long. Keep components separate for easy lunches all week. Just assemble when you're ready to eat and you'll have a fresh, delicious meal in minutes. No more boring desk lunches. Delicious, easy, and one of my absolute favorites. This bowl is proof that healthy food can be exciting and full of flavor. Healthy eating never tasted so good. Let's dig in and enjoy every bite of this vibrant, nourishing bowl. Next, we're off to Japan, a country known for its exquisite cuisine and attention to detail. Today we're making a refreshing cold soba salad with sesame dressing, a dish that's both delicious and nutritious. Soba noodles, made from buckwheat, are gluten-free, high in fiber, and cook in minutes. They have a unique nutty flavor that pairs perfectly with fresh vegetables. Toss with julienned cucumber and carrots for crunch and color. These vegetables not only add texture, but also bring a vibrant, fresh taste to the dish. The star is a homemade sesame soy dressing, soy sauce, rice vinegar, a touch of honey, and toasted sesame oil. This dressing is rich, tangy, and slightly sweet, making it the perfect complement to the soba noodles. Whisk until smooth, then drizzle over the noodles and veggies. Make sure every strand of noodle and piece of vegetable is coated with this delicious dressing. Add edamame or bell peppers for extra nutrition. These additions not only boost the nutritional value, but also add a pop of color and a delightful crunch. This salad is light, high in fiber, and perfect for digestion. It's a great way to enjoy a healthy meal without feeling weighed down. It's a beautiful, satisfying lunch or side. Whether you're serving it as a main course or a side dish, it's sure to impress. Healthy eating can be simple and stunning. This dish proves that you don't need complicated recipes to create something extraordinary. You'll feel amazing after this one. Enjoy the refreshing taste and the health benefits of this delightful Japanese dish. Now, let's head to Thailand for Thai basil chicken lettuce cups, a flavor explosion that's naturally low carb. Stir-fry lean ground chicken with garlic and red chilies for heat and aroma. Toss in Thai holy basil at the end for that signature peppery flavor. Serve the savory chicken in crisp lettuce leaves, cool, crunchy, and perfect for scooping. A squeeze of lime brightens everything up. These cups are bold, light, and fun to eat. Great as an appetizer, lunch, or healthy dinner. All the satisfaction, none of the heaviness. Fast, fresh, and packed with protein. Thai food at its healthiest. Next, we're in Vietnam making tofu and veggie rice paper rolls, fresh, light, and fun to assemble. These rolls are a staple of Vietnamese cuisine, celebrated for their vibrant flavors and beautiful presentation. Whether you're new to rice paper rolls or a seasoned pro, this recipe is a fantastic way to bring a taste of Vietnam into your own kitchen. Start by pan-frying firm tofu until it's golden and crisp on the outside. This adds a satisfying protein boost and a lovely texture. Then gather your favorite fresh veggies: crisp carrots, cool cucumber, crunchy lettuce, and a generous handful of fragrant herbs like mint, cilantro, and Thai basil. The more color, the better. To assemble, dip each rice paper sheet into warm water for just a few seconds. Watch as it softens and becomes pliable. Lay it flat, then layer your tofu and veggies in the center. Rolling them up is a hands-on, interactive experience that's perfect for sharing with friends or family. Each roll is a little edible work of art, bursting with color and freshness. Don't be afraid to experiment with different fillings. Avocado, bell peppers, or even mango can add a unique twist. Don't worry if your rolls aren't perfectly shaped. What matters most is the flavor and the fun you have making them. The process is meant to be relaxed and enjoyable, not stressful. The magic really happens when you dip your roll into the creamy peanut sauce. It's a simple blend of peanut butter, hoisin sauce, fresh lime juice, and a splash of water. Rich, tangy, and utterly addictive. Each bite is a perfect balance of sweet, savory, and tangy flavors, with a satisfying crunch from the veggies and a creamy finish from the sauce. These rolls are perfect for snacks, appetizers, or even a light lunch or dinner. They're easy to pack for picnics or work lunches, and always a crowd pleaser at parties. Super low in calories, high in nutrients, and totally satisfying, these rolls are a healthy choice you'll want to make again and again. Get creative with your fillings and sauces. There's no wrong way to make these your own. With every bite, you'll taste the vibrant freshness of Vietnam. Simple, healthy, and absolutely delicious. For our next dish, we're making a lighter Chinese eggplant with garlic sauce, no deep frying needed. Steam sliced Chinese eggplant until tender and silky. Whip up a quick sauce, soy sauce, black vinegar, sesame oil, lots of garlic, ginger, and scallions. Pour the fragrant sauce over the warm eggplant so it soaks up all the flavor. This dish is rich tasting but low in fat and calories, packed with antioxidants and nutrients. Serve as a side or over brown rice for a light meal. Proof that healthy can be indulgent. Simple, satisfying, and full of umami. You'll want seconds. Back to Japan for a healthy salmon teriyaki bowl with a homemade light teriyaki glaze. Pan-sear salmon until the skin is crispy and the inside is flaky. Make a quick glaze: low-sodium soy, mirin, ginger, garlic, and a touch of honey. Glaze the salmon in the pan until glossy and caramelized. Serve over brown rice with steamed broccoli for fiber and vitamins. This bowl is protein-rich, full of omega-3s and heart-healthy. All the flavor, none of the guilt. A classic made clean and simple. Healthy eating never looked so good. Now we're in the Philippines for chicken tinola, a light, nourishing ginger chicken soup. Sauté ginger and garlic, then simmer lean chicken breast in water for a fragrant broth. Add green papaya or chayote for subtle sweetness and texture. Finish with fresh spinach or malunggay for a vitamin boost. The result is a clear, comforting soup that's hydrating and immune-boosting. Light, clean, and full of flavor. Perfect for when you need a healthy, warming meal. Tinola is Filipino comfort food at its best. Simple ingredients, big nourishment, a bowl of pure goodness. Back to Thailand for som tum. Thai green papaya salad, a crunchy, spicy, low-calorie favorite. Shred green papaya, then pound garlic and chilies with lime, fish sauce, and a touch of sugar for a bold dressing. Toss in cherry tomatoes and roasted peanuts for extra crunch. Mix everything together so the papaya soaks up the flavors. Every bite is spicy, tangy, and refreshing. Only about 150 calories per serving. The ultimate guilt-free flavor bomb. Street food made healthy at home. Next, we're in Indonesia for a spicy tempeh stir-fry. Hearty, plant-based, and protein-packed. Pan-fry cube tempeh until golden and crisp. Sauté garlic, shallots, and chilies for a fragrant base. Add kecap mayonnaise, sweet soy sauce, and a splash of regular soy for a sticky glaze. Toss in bok choy for crunch and color. Stir everything together until glazed and vibrant. Serve solo or with brown rice for a filling meal. Vegan, satisfying, and perfect for weight loss. Indonesian flavors made easy. For our final recipe, we're making classic Japanese miso soup with seaweed and tofu. Simple, nourishing, and restorative. Start with dashi stock. Use instant granules for speed. Gently heat, then dissolve in white or yellow miso paste off the heat. Add wakame seaweed and cubes of silken tofu for texture and protein. Ladle into bowls and top with chopped scallions. Light, probiotic-rich and soothing. Perfect as a starter or a light snack. Gut-friendly and deeply comforting. Japanese simplicity at its best. A beautiful way to end our journey. And that's it. 10 fresh, healthy Asian recipes you can make at home. From spicy bowls to comforting soups and crunchy salads, healthy eating is an adventure. These dishes are quick, nutrient-packed, and perfect for meal prep or sharing. Food should be joyful. Let's celebrate flavor and wellness together. Try these recipes, share your creations, and let me know your favorites in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more SlimSync weight loss recipes.